Hey there, craft lovers. In this hand sewing tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made these fabric flowers out of scrap fabrics I have. And also the centers are just broken pieces of jewelry and buttons I've collected over time. So you're going to need a circle template. For the smaller one, I just use a CD that I kind of no longer need, and I cut out 5. Then I have a double threaded needle, and I'm using this awesome kit from Star. It's perfect. It has everything you need in it, and if you're interested, click on the link in the description of this video to get yourself one too. I love it. You can even travel with it. So cute. And seriously, how cool is the pink? Anyway, here's what you're going to do to start the first petal. With your double threaded needle, you're going to go around the curved top part there, and you're going to make like a basting stitch with that double end or the double knot at the end that stops it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just work your way all the way around, making sure you grab both ends of that circle, and then you're going to pull tight and it scrunches. That's your petal, and then you're going to continue until you get all of your petals onto your double thread. Thread all of your petals on, and you can add as many petals as you want. You're going to go through that first petal and just do an end off stitch right there, putting the thread through the loop and pulling tight. You can leave the thread hanging if you're going to sew it onto something, but I tend to cut mine off because I like to hot glue it. And now I love this contrasting color button here. A little hot glue in the center holds it all together. With my scissors, I'll just trim off the thread in the back because I'm not sure what I'm doing with my flower just yet. And now I'm going to show you how to make the flower with the pointed petals. This time I'm using a plate. Again, you could use any kind of round template that you have. The bigger the template, of course, the bigger your petals. And I'm going to go through the same process, but this time I fold it like a slice of pizza. And I'm using a contrasting color so you can see my stitches. Same stitching. Before I get started, I'm going to use the fabric clips in my Star kit. You can even use straight pins if you prefer. And the same basting stitch around the curve. As you can see, I'm using the same sewing method as I used for the first flower to bring all the petals together and to tie it together. And I'm leaving a little bit of a space in the center of the petals there. The thicker the fabric, the more of a space you'll have. So you'll have to pull your thread tight to close up that space. So here we go. I'm going to choose a larger button to close up my space, and this is just perfect. Easy it is to craft these gorgeous fabric flowers. So go ahead and click on the link in the description if you're interested in this Star kit. Has everything you'll need here, and also if you love crafts like this, check out my other videos right on the screen. Thanks for watching.